What does ChatGPT tell about Technical Guruji? Technical Guruji, whose real name is Gaurav Chaudhary, is a very popular Indian tech YouTuber. Gaurav Chaudhary was born on May 7, 1991, in Ajmer, Rajasthan, India. He holds a bachelor's degree in microelectronics from Birla Institute of Technology and Science, BITS, Pilani, and a master's degree in the same field from Georgia Institute of Technology, Atlanta, USA. Gaurav worked as a Dubai-based engineer before starting his YouTube channel. He started his YouTube channel Technical Guruji in October 2015 and gained popularity by providing information about various technology-related products and services. He is fluent in Hindi and often presents his videos in Hindi, making it easier for the Indian audience to understand complex technical information. Technical Guruji has over 22 million subscribers on his YouTube channel, making him one of the most popular tech YouTubers in India. In 2018, Gaurav Chaudhary was listed in Forbes India's 30 Under 30 list in the media category. He has also received the YouTube Diamond Play Button award, which is given to YouTubers who have surpassed the 10 million subscriber mark. Gaurav Chaudhary is also the founder of a tech startup called Trell, which is a social media platform for sharing short videos. He is quite active on social media and has a large following on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Next is Tracking Tech.